Okay, I created a new cookie recipe for you today. It's not a peanut butter cookie. It's not an oatmeal cookie. It's a combination. I'm showing you how to make a peanut butter oatmeal cookie today. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am taking two favorite cookies and I'm marrying them together to make a brand new cookie, a peanut butter oatmeal cookie. This is delicious. It's got that peanut butter flavor and that chewiness of an oatmeal cookie. It's so good. With or without chocolate chips, this recipe is gonna be one of your favorites. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Start by mixing 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter in a large bowl. Now I get asked this all the time. When I'm measuring out peanut butter for recipes, I use this it's an OXO sticky measuring cup. So it's for sticky things, honey, peanut butter, anything where it's kind of like really annoying to clean it out of the measuring cup, and you load it in and then you just pop it right out. So I always get asked, I will link it in the comments. Then add 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar to the peanut butter mixture and mix that until it's smooth. Then add a tablespoon of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that until it's combined. Once it's nice and smooth, add 1.5 cups of quick cooking oats. Mix that in and then add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix until smooth. Once you have your cookie dough, go ahead and add any mix-ins that you want. If you want any, today we're being purists and keeping them plain, but you could add chocolate chips or nuts or M&Ms or chopped candy, whatever you like. Then I'm gonna use a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop to scoop balls of dough. You could also make these any size you want. Flatten each cookie with a fork like you would a regular peanut butter cookie. These won't flatten much on their own. Bake those off in the oven at 350 for about 11 to 14 minutes until they just lose that glossy sheen. And once they're done, you have a delicious new kind of cookie. They smell like peanut butter. They kind of look like oatmeal. They are soft and chewy from those oats, and that peanut butter flavor is amazing. These are one of our favorite cookies. I promise you're gonna love them. Leave me a comment and let me know, would you add a mix-in or would you keep them plain? And keep watching for even more cookie recipes.